Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So DJ Zinhle and Murder Bongs' baby Asante reportedly spent a few days at the hospital, you guys. DJ Zinhle shared the sad and heartbreaking news on her Instagram stories that her baby Asante was hospitalized, you guys. Through a series of Insta stories, you guys, this is what she wrote. So Santi has been in the hospital since Monday and today she's coming out. Daddy at Bongs has been suffering because I've been crying every night after visiting my baby. I could not stand leaving her at the hospital. Now, you guys, DJ Zinhle yet again praised her friend and media personality Pearl Tusi's daughter Tando for helping out. The mother of two shared a photo of Tando along with baby Asante with a drip, you guys, and wrote, "At Asante with love. Hated the drip so much. Again, my sweet baby at Tando_Mokwena was a hero for another one of my babies. At Paul Tusi, you should be proud," she wrote. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you in the next upload. Bye.